Okay, following the last video, okay, I'll keep explaining this problem here. So, hold on a second. I'll actually have to erase a bit of this here using um, this. Yep. So we need to solve that red one for theta. Sorry about that. And so 3.4 is we need to solve this for theta. So 3.4 times 45. But as you know, 45 is a degree because 360 here was a degree. 45 over pi is theta. So now theta, as you see, this is a degree, right? As you see, this is a degree. So the way to turn a degree into radian is to multiply this yellow one, pi over 180, and then it turns into a radian, right? So that's what we need to do here by multiplying this by pi over 180, right? So pi, they are the same, and 45 and 180, if you think about it, 45 times 4 is 180. So 45, and this is 4. So now you have 3.4 divided by 4. Right now, this is a radian. So what we did here is that we turned this theta into a radian. So now what we need to do is 3.4 divided by 4. If you do that, what you have here is 3.4 divided by 4 is exactly 0.85. So when you calculate this, you get 0.85. Okay, so theta here is actually 4 times sine parenthesis, the quantity of 0.85 here. Okay, this is a result of what we did here. Oh, so theta, if you cannot get what theta exactly, we could have gotten what theta was. The answer was, however, given in radian, so we actually had to change the this angle into radian. So if the answers were given in degrees, like if the answers were given in degrees, then it would be like this. Let's see here, 4 times sine something like degree, but it wasn't a degree, it was radian. Therefore, we gotta use the radian here. So if it was a degree, then you do not need to do we did not need to do this part. Okay, this part we did not need to do that. So all we need to do is calculate this part here, 3.4 times 45. Let's do that. 3.4 times 45, which is 153, divided by pi, then you get 48.70. So this one here is 48.70. So what we did here is that this is a degree, and then we have to turn that into a radian. Okay, so that is what we did. This got really messy, but I think if you just watch this video slowly, as slow as you can, and then if you could understand again and again, then you will know what I'm talking about. So okay, before I end the video, let's just make sure if 48.7, that one is that one is 0.85 in radian. Let's see if that is true. Okay. Hold on. Where is my Chrome? Okay. I really hope you got this problem right. I really hope you understand this problem even if you got this problem wrong. Where is it? Radian calculator. Degrees to radians conversion. So yeah, I actually do not want you to use this, but I just want to show you that what I did is right. So what we were given here was 48.7, right? 48.7. Let's put that into, oh my God. Let's put that value in here. So 48.7, right? Okay, something is weird. 48, what was that? 48.7. And then convert, yeah. As you see, 48.7 is exactly, I mean, it's not exactly 0.85, but it is, if you round up to the hundredth decimal, then you get what it is, right? Therefore, yeah, I solved the problem right, and you visually see here that for you to turn degree into a radian, you need to multiply pi over 180 degrees, okay? Which is which is what I did here. You know, that's what I explained here, okay? And let me just explain just one more time, okay, for you to understand better. Uh, let's erase everything. Where is my eraser? Okay, I can just. Oh no 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 no! That's not what I wanted. Okay, I mean, yeah, I'm not really good with using like the Paint app. Okay, well, anyways, like I said, so 2 pi r, I mean 2 pi is 360 degrees. Okay, let me see if I have enough time to explain all this. Okay, okay, I think I do. So how is radian defined? So you have a circle, and then you have a part of a circle. Let's say the part of circle is this r. Oh my. Okay, r. Oh, where's my r, r, and then the arc here is r. You pick this length such that this the length of this arc becomes r, and then this is 1 radian. This is the definition of a radian. Okay, as you know, the whole circle is, so as you know, this is 1 because this is r, it doesn't change, right? Like r and r, they they do not change because we talk about radian, and if the radian is in the circle, right? So r and r radius itself doesn't change. The only thing that does change is the arc length. So what I'm saying is, if there is like one more r, then this becomes 2 radian, right? So, and then if there's like one more r, then this becomes 3, the whole angle here becomes 3 radian, right? And then if we go for the whole circle, if we go for the whole circle, then it becomes because the circumference is 2 pi r, so 2 pi we need 2 pi number of r's, right? That doesn't really make sense because pi is an irrational number, but 2 pi number of r. So that goes for the whole circle. I mean, that's not a good circle at all, but that goes for 360 degrees. So 2 pi radian, right? 2 pi radian. If we have 2 pi number of this little arc, 2 pi number of this little arc, then it's 2 pi radian. As you see, this angle here is 360 degrees, right? 2 pi, I said, radian is a real number. 360, this is not a real number. This is just a measure. So as you know, 360 degree is 2 pi. So 1 radian. How do you get 1 radian? Just divide both sides by 2 pi. Think of this as a ratio. 360 divided by 2 pi, then you have 180 divided by pi. So this is what radian means, all right? So yeah, I hope you understand what radian really is, and if you still can't, go back to what is radian video that I made for you. Okay, I think this is it for today, and I hope you have a good day. Bye.